and I am here to discuss to all of you the correct way how to lift up the heavy things like bag, box, and drum.
A few moments later.
So first, I'm gonna teach you the correct way to carry these heavy sacks.
Una, hawakan natin ito mula baba pataas sa ating balikat at pag nailagay na ng maayos, maaari na natin itong mabuhat.
The second one is the correct way on how to carry a heavy drum.
Una, ikutin ito pakaliwa at iangat patayo. O diba, tapos na?
The last but not the least, I'm gonna teach you the correct way on how to carry this heavy bag.
Mula sa ating balikat ay ibababa natin ito sa isang lamesa at saka natin ibababa sa sahig. At sana po marami po kayo natutunan. Yun lamang po.